Awan Auto Glass Repair is a trusted and reliable auto repair shop specializing in car windscreen repair. Located in Islamabad, they have earned a reputation for their professional service and quality workmanship. Driving with a cracked or damaged windscreen can be both dangerous and illegal. A small chip or crack may seem insignificant, but it can quickly escalate into a bigger problem if left untreated. That's where Awan Auto Glass Repair comes in. Their team of skilled technicians is dedicated to providing fast and efficient service to get you back on the road safely. They understand that your time is valuable, so they strive to complete repairs in a timely manner without compromising on quality. Whether you have a small chip or a larger crack, Awan Auto Glass Repair has the expertise to handle it all. They use premium quality materials and advanced techniques to ensure a seamless repair that restores the structural integrity of your windscreen. In addition to their exceptional service, Awan Auto Glass Repair also offers competitive prices. They believe that everyone should have access to affordable and reliable car windscreen repairs. Customer satisfaction is their top priority, and they go above and beyond to exceed expectations. From the moment you step into their shop, you can expect friendly and attentive service. Their technicians will carefully assess the damage and provide a detailed explanation of the repair process. So, if you find yourself in need of car windscreen repair in Islamabad, look no further than Awan Auto Glass Repair. With their expertise, dedication to quality, and affordable prices, you can trust them to get the job done right. Drive safely with a flawless windscreen, thanks to Awan Auto Glass Repair.